Hello! Today we'll show you how to convert video to VR with Wondershare UniConverter 14 on Windows. Launch Wondershare UniConverter 14. You can download UniConverter 14 from the link below. Step 1. Import the video to UniConverter. Click Tools. You can also click all tools from this AI lab category. Click VR Converter. Click this browse icon next to this Add File field. Locate and select the video you want to convert to VR. And click Open. Step 2. Define conversion preferences. Choose your preferred VR view type from this video mode section. Let's select 3D horizontal 360 degrees for this example. From this converter section, pick the target VR device you want to use the video with. I'll select Samsung Gear. Step 3. Set an output folder. Click File Location. Select an output folder from this. Browse for folder box. I'll leave the default container selected. So, let's click Cancel. Step 4. Convert and access the file. Click Convert. Wait while UniConverter converts the video to VR and automatically opens the output folder. From here, you can access and use the converted file. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.